Hey, happy, it's your boy, Mr. CJU, what it do, back with another video. In this one, I'm gonna tell you exactly how you can get access to business funding, business credit in this video. And I'm gonna shoot it under 10 minutes, man. I'm gonna try to make it very, very quick. I'm gonna teach you the requirements. So all you gotta do is watch this full video. I'm gonna tell you all the requirements you need to get access to business funding. All right, now y'all know everything really comes down to personal credit, okay? So the personal credit gotta be fire. So you have to be able to look at your credit profile, be able to read it. And if you wanna help other people get funded, you're gonna have to know how to read their credit profiles, right? So what I like to do, man, is very simple for me, is I want everybody, especially if y'all want me to help y'all, make sure you got an Experian.com account, all right? Now you can get the account for free. You know what I'm saying? They'll let you look at your Experian for free. If you want to get access to your Equifax or TransUnion, they will charge you a monthly subscription, whatever. But just get it Experian.com, and so you can look at your profile, man. It's gonna have your real FICO in there. All right. So when we talk about the requirements, this is for max funding. You know, I want to help y'all get 50,000, 100,000, big money. I always look for 720 plus credit score. All right. Now, I know you can get people funded with a 650. I know you can get people funded with a 680 and stuff like that. But when you're trying to get that big bag, you want over 720, man. You want really good credit. So don't shortchange yourself trying to get funded knowing your score not at least a 720. You know what I'm saying? Just do what you got to do to get it up there. Because if you go try to apply for some credit knowing you in the sixes, 650, 680, 690, barely at 700, well, they going to barely give you a good limit. That's when you're going to get approved for 3,000, 5,000, 6,000, those low limits. Remember, we want to get 50,000 on one card. We trying to get the big money, so we need to pull up correctly. All right, so we want to have a 700 credit score, easy, all right? And then most importantly, no negative marks. Okay, what do I mean by negative marks? When you go to Experian.com and you log into your credit report, and then I want you to go to the top where it says credit reports and scores. And then I want you to hover over there and I want you to click credit reports and then pull up your whole profile. And everything that you see in red, that means it's a negative mark. So a negative mark could mean collections, okay? Meaning you didn't pay somebody back, a company back, and they sold it to a third-party collection. So now you got a collection. Also charge-offs, okay? This is when you defaulted with an actual bank, with an actual credit card, and they charge that thing up. You know what I'm saying? Also late payments. So if you got collections, charge-offs, or late payments on the credit profile, dude, don't try to get funded. You need to go to credit repair, okay? You need to go to credit repair. So you got two options with credit repair. Two options. Option number one, DIY, stands for do it yourself. I got credit courses. I'll put the information in the description of this video. I have credit courses that will teach you exactly how to repair your own credit on your own. If you don't want to pay nobody, if you think people just gonna screw you over and take your money and not do the credit repair, well, do it yourself. All right, don't complain about credit repair companies not doing a good job if you're not willing to do it yourself. All right. Now, your second option is if you want somebody to do it. And if you want me to help you with credit repair, you can go to cjucredithelp.com. So if you need credit repair, do it yourself. And if you want me to help you with it, just go to cjucredithelp.com, fill out the form. I'll give you information on how you can start the credit repair process with us. We'll repair your credit. Then when we repair your credit, I'll move you to getting access to funding. So no negative marks. If you see that, you got to go to credit repair. Don't try to skip this part, all right? Because you're going to get denied or you're going to get some low limits, all right? Now, next important thing is credit usage, also known as credit utilization. So what this means is this is your credit limit and also your credit balance, okay? So your credit limit and your credit balance makes up a percentage, all right? So you need to make sure your credit usage, I like it under 15% on each card, okay? So every credit profile, every credit card that's on your credit profile, I want the usage under 15%. So that means whatever the credit limit is, that balance on that credit limit needs to be under 15%. All right. So for example, if your credit limit is 1,000 and you got a balance of 500, what's that percentage? That's 50%. You're using 50% of the available limit. That's too high. We got to get that lower than 50%. So basically all this means when it comes down to credit usage is pay your debt down. Pay it down. Don't try to go apply for new credit knowing you got high debt on the credit cards you already got. How is that going to make sense? Hey, I'm trying to apply for some business funding. Okay, let me check your personal credit. Bro, you owe all these banks money and you asking us for money? Who's going to give you money knowing you owe other people money? So you got to pay the usage down. You got to pay it down. Okay? The next thing is credit age. Okay? Credit age. I like you to have primary credit card 2 years or older. Okay? 2 years or older. So that means a credit card in your name. Not an authorized user, not you piggybacking on somebody else's credit. I want you to have a credit card in your name and that is reporting on your credit report for over 2 years or at least 2 years or older. Because that allows the banks to be like, okay, you've been in the game for at least 2 years and you have no negative marks on your credit cards. The credit usage is under 15%. Okay, and you've been moving like that for 2 years, then your score is going to be 720. This is exactly how you get a 720 credit score. A lot of people, these new credit people, going to tell y'all you need 10 accounts, you need 11 accounts, 15 accounts. You don't need all these accounts. You don't need a shit ton of accounts to get to a 720 credit score. You could literally only have 2 credit cards for 2 years with no negative marks and low usage and have a 720. And you can go get business funding. You don't have to have a shit ton of accounts. Just get you a credit card for 2 years. That's it. Guys, this is that simple. If your personal credit profile meets this, it is that simple to have a good profile to go get funding. These are the requirements. No negative marks, credit usage low, and your credit age at least 2 years. Now I'm gonna hurry up and wrap this video up. I know y'all told y'all gonna get it done in like 10 minutes. So here we go, look. Rewind that or write that down what I just showed y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the last piece. If your credit profile meets those requirements I just showed you, all you gotta do is file, oh, hold on, make an L, let me hurry up. I wanna make this video long, y'all. All you gotta do is file you an LLC, right, with your state, okay? Get you an EIN. You can do this at irs.gov and get that for free. You can file your LLC. I use inkfile.com. I think they got a new name called Bisbee or something like that. But inkfile.com, you could go there, file your LLC. You can go to get your EIN, you can go to irs.gov and get that for free, okay? All you got to do from there is get you a biz email, get you a business phone number, and I can help you with all this stuff. Get a phone number, business email, get you a business address, okay? And then open up you a business bank account, okay? Open up your business bank account. Once your personal credit meet those requirements, you done filed you an LLC, got an EIN, got a business email, got a business phone number, got a business address, got a business bank account, right? You want to get all this set up before you go file it. Get all this stuff. You're going to get the email, the phone number, the address, and like your business name, obviously. You're going to get that together. Once you get all that together, give that information to InkFile. Go ahead and file an LLC. After you file an LLC, get the EIN. After you get the EIN, go open up the business bank account. Now, we want your business to be open for at least 2 years. If you can get this open for 2 years, this is going to help you get max funding too, right? If it's a fresh LLC, you can still get funded, but right now the banks really want to see bank accounts, business bank accounts open for at least 2 years. But either way it go, these are simple requirements. All you got to do is do it. Take your time, be patient. Don't be looking for shortcuts. Don't be looking for credit hacks. Don't be looking for all that shit. Just do it the right way the first time and you'll get access to all the funding you need. Hey, if y'all want me to help you build your personal credit, build your business credit, in the description on this YouTube video, I'm gonna have my phone number on there. You can literally text me directly, tell me your name, tell me about your situation. I'll set up a call with you and I'll help you set this all up correctly so you don't miss and you get access to business funding. These are the requirements. This is how you get business credit in 2024. It should be your boy, Mr. CJU. Hap, hap.